Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for having me. I want to recognize the presence of two ministers, Minister of Education and Minister of Planning. Thank you very much. I also recognize all the distinguished guests who are here, colleagues from the UN system. I want to begin by thanking the government of Balochistan and UNICEF for inviting me in this closing session. I regret I wasn't here at the opening ceremony, but I have been thoroughly briefed on the rich discussions you've had, and I had an opportunity just to listen to the final panelist here. Let me begin with a simple point that the conversation we're having today is not routine. We hope this will be consequential because social services such as education, health, nutrition, social protection are not just sectors in a policy document. Essentially, they are the difference between life of vulnerability and life of dignity. They are the foundations of trust among people and the state, and in times of uncertainty, they are the first line of stability. I want to say this clearly today. Balochistan should never be spoken about through the lens of constraints. There are real pressures, there are real challenges, but the opportunities outweigh all the challenges that the province faces. And a deeper truth is that Balochistan holds an extraordinary strength, resilient communities, courage in public servants who show up to work every day, and a generation of young people who have ambition that needs to be matched by the opportunities going forward. So the question before us, essentially, is not whether Balochistan has potential, but rather the question is whether we have the discipline and partnership to convert that potential into life improvements, district by district, facility by facility, and household by household. From the briefings my colleague have been giving me, I have received since your deliberation all day, there are real points I think we can all agree to follow up and work together. So allow me to go through some of those takeaways from today's discussion and things that we can all work towards. One is a focus of seriousness. Balochistan does not need a long list of aspirations. It needs a short list of priorities that can be delivered at scale. My encouragement to the provincial leadership and the two ministers who are here, and all of us who are working very closely with the province, is to identify a limited number of social improvements that we can all of us invest. Second, coordination must move from courtesy to discipline. We have seen strong partners in the room, many who are still present here at the closing ceremony, development banks, private sector, and the UN system. But if the support remains fragmented, then I think we will find it very difficult to see the results that we want to see. Third, resilience must be built into the system, not added after a crisis. Social protection cannot be treated as a parallel track. It must connect to the health, nutrition, and education. It must be central part of how we plan and execute. And finally, follow through is a test of credibility. Consultations like this matter only when they lead to action. I will encourage short and time-bound next steps to come out of this deliberation, and within the coming weeks, we can have a clear summary out of this that we can all work to support the leadership of the government. From the UN side, let me state our commitment plainly. We will support the government of Balochistan to translate priority needs into focused action pathway that partners can align behind. We will coordinate across the UN system so that the province experiences the UN as one in a coherent and complementary manner, and we will stay anchored to results and outputs and not only events. So count on us, and bahut shukriya. Thank you very much.